I'm doing something no flipper would dare do. And believe me, this is gonna wake up all my haters. I was at a friend's house this week, and as usual, I checked if there were any marketplace ads or thrift stores around that area. I always check around the areas I need to be at to be more gas money and time efficient. This way, I reduce the impact on my profit margins. On that trip, I found a Wilson brass putter. Not very valuable, but brass putters are so satisfying to restore because it's so fast and so easy. So we're gonna head to the Shining Shack shortly, but first I'm gonna show you how you can flip brass putters at home without bench grinders or polishing equipments. See how easy that was? Now we're heading to the Shining Shack, and stick around until the end because I'm gonna do something no flipper dares to do. I'm pretty happy with the results, but now, here's what I'm gonna do that will for sure wake up my haters. I've put some orange neon details on this putter head, but now we're stuck with the mismatching grip. Fortunately, this original Wilson putter grip is completely smooth. This makes me think that I could try to paint the details the same orange neon color. If the grip was textured, I wouldn't be able to do that as the paint would go in all the little crannies. Here, I think that I might be able to fill in these details and swipe the excess off. Let's try it and see how it looks. I'm extremely happy about the result. I wasn't sure if the rubber of the grip would drink the paint, but the surface is so smooth that I was able to swipe the excess off like I was hoping for. And to make very sure that this wasn't just aesthetic and that it would wear off quickly, I tested this paint by brushing the details roughly with a toothbrush and some soapy water to simulate hand sweat and wear. And it's still intact. Now, if brass putters aren't very trendy, mirror shine clubs are even less. So I'm gonna post this for $30, but I don't think it's gonna go for more than $20. Considering I bought this putter for $9 and used about $1 of tools and materials, we're gonna round this up to a $10 expense. I'm gonna be left in my pocket with $10 for a 20-minute job, meaning I have made $30 an hour on this putter. So it's not the greatest flip, but sometimes it's about the fun. See you next time.